Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another video about my crypto portfolio day trading on eToro. If you like it, please subscribe. Also, in the description, there is a link to the eToro. So if you want to join eToro, use that link and then we will get richer together. So currently, my ADA has hit the sell order and is sold off. The algo has not yet. I put it around 1.7 something, so still waiting for this one to hit it. So if you go to Webull to check, let's put it on the daily. So before we go to what we're gonna be putting an order for today, let's talk about support and resistance again. So we can see the blue lines horizontal, they're the support and resistance lines. Resistance, if it goes below that line, or if it goes above it, then becomes support. So all the lines are both support and resistance depending on where the candlesticks are. Now, in order to draw support and resistance lines, I'll go out further. So the trick to draw them is to capture as many candlesticks as possible, and also try to catch as many whole body candlesticks as possible. Because if you catch in the wicks, then that is fear sometimes. If the price drops too much, people are then scared that it dropped too much, or they buy the dip and then the price quickly rebounds back up. So whole-bodied candlesticks are the best ones. Again, support and resistance. I'm guessing most of you have heard about bears and bulls. Now, imagine bears and bulls, and imagine the support and resistance lines. Now, they can imagine that these lines, they're like fences. So if the market's going up or going down, bears or bulls, they can go against the lines, lean against it, bend them slightly so they can go over it a little bit, but then the fence rebounds again, and then they go either up or down. So just imagine it as a fence. Also, if too many of them lean against the fence, that fence will get broken. Then, for example, either prices are going to break above it or go below it. So there's been good news that China fear has been slightly calmed down. And also inflation fears, they've been somewhat set at ease. And with that, the top 3 crypto holders in the world, like by countries. Number 1 is India. Now, India has threatened to make crypto illegal in the country. What that means is that if it does happen, then there's going to be a lot of crypto going around. Second is USA. And third is Russia. So with these being the 3 biggest crypto holders, always, if you want to trade crypto, always keep in line with what's going on in the news regarding those countries. Next, let's go on the hourly chart of Bitcoin. So on the daily chart, we can see that we are now on the 3rd day of green, so which is a bull sign. But the green for today, there's a long wick on it, so that means uncertainty about the price going up. We'll see throughout the day how that develops. On the hourly candlestick, we can see that there's been just now a lot of selling. And if you go to the 15 minutes, we can see that this is now just over 40 minutes that this has been happening. Now for today, we are gonna trade XLM. So we can see that there's been already 3, purple, red candlesticks. The last one currently, it's got another 10 minutes before a new candlestick starts, and this one has been active so far for 5-6 minutes. And it's going down, but not as fast as the previous candlestick, so selling might be easing. So then if you go back, let's go back an hour to the hourly chart. If you go to the hourly chart, if you think about support and resistance in smaller time frames like hourly, they are there, but they're not as important as the ones in the larger time frames like the daily or weekly. So currently we can see that it's touching a lot of wicks along from previous candlesticks. What I'll do, I'll go to the MA50, so the 50 MA. The orange line, and the orange line is currently around, let's say, 0.27, so I'll put it around 0.275. We go back to eToro. We check XLM. So we go trade. So we go to, let's see, 26. Nope. We go around $26 currently. So 25. So this is $sign, yep. So we go order. And I said, let's put 0.275. And then we set order. And now the order has been set. Yeah. So when XLM reaches this buy point, then we'll open a trade. That's it for today. Thank you very much. And if you want to know anything from my limited knowledge, let me know and I'll try to answer. So once again, watch me fail or watch me succeed. This is just for play purposes, and this is not financial advice. Thank you very much. Have a good day.